Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to restrict gestures to registered subjects or users on your DJI Osmo Pocket 4. To do that, first of all, we're gonna have to launch the camera. Then we're gonna have to switch to the recording mode. Now, once we are in the video mode, we're gonna have to register a subject. To do that, tap right here, this icon in the middle, and select Spotlight Follow, tap Add Subject, and then you're gonna have to add a subject by tapping the plus icon and positioning this person's face in the frame. Then tap OK to add a new user. If you place a face correctly, the registration will be successful, and after that we're gonna have to leave this menu, swipe down, then select Gestures, enable gesture control, and enable registered subjects only. Then anyone not registered will not be able to use gestures to control camera. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.